Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create shared folder between Windows 10 host and Ubuntu 18.04 LTS guest operating system on Virtualbox. Okay, so prerequisite for this is you must have Virtualbox guest editions installed on Ubuntu. Okay, so if you don't have this installed on your Ubuntu, there is a video link in the description of this video. You can check it out, okay, and install it. And guys, after installation of this Virtualbox guest editions, just power off your Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Okay, you can see it's powered off. Okay, and after that guys, you need to go to your Windows 10 host. Okay, and you can create a folder that is shared folder. Okay, so you can create it anywhere, but I want to create it on my desktop. Okay, so let me right click on that and then click on this new and then click on this folder. Okay guys, and guys, you can give it any name to your folder, but I want to give it this shared folder. Okay, so the folder is now created and you can see that we don't have anything over here right now. Okay, so let me close this, and after that guys, just open your VirtualBox, this VirtualBox manager. Okay, and you can see that I have this Ubuntu 18.04 LTS powered off. Okay, and after that guys, just select your virtual machine, this Ubuntu, and then click on this settings and then click on this shared folders. Okay, and here we have this add this button. Click on this plus button, you can see add share. Okay, so here we have this folder path. Click on this and click on this other and just browse to your folder. So I have my shared folder on my desktop, so I need to click on this desktop. Okay, and I have this folder over here, so let me click on that and then click on this select folder. Okay, so you can see guys, I have this folder path over here and the folder name is shared folder. Okay, and you need to check this option auto mount. Click on that and you can see guys, it's checked, and after that click on this OK button. Okay guys, so you can see that it's now added, and after that click on this OK button. Okay, and guys, after that just start your Ubuntu 18.04 LTS by clicking on this start button. Okay, so it's starting, so let me wait. Okay guys, we are now at the login screen, so let me click on this user. Okay, and let me provide the password and let me click on the sign in button. Okay guys, we are now logged in. Okay, so let me wait, and you can see guys, we have this shared folder, this icon over here. Okay, and after that guys, we need to open the terminal. Okay, so just right click on the desktop and then click on this open terminal, and you can see guys, here we have this terminal opened. You can also open this terminal by using another method, so let me close this. So just press Alt Ctrl T key on the keyboard. I am pressing that, and you can see guys, here we have this terminal opened. Okay, so after that guys, you have to type this command who am I and hit enter, and you can see guys, I'm logged in as this user Ubuntu. Okay, and after that guys, we have to add this user to the VirtualBox shared folder group. Okay, so for this we have to type this command sudo space add user and the username. Okay, so I have this Ubuntu, you have to write yours. Okay, the username, so I need to type this Ubuntu, and after that type this vboxsf. Okay, VirtualBox shared folder group. Okay, so the command is sudo space add user space, and you have to type your username over here. Okay, space vboxsf, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. Just provide your administrative password, and after that hit enter. Okay guys, you can see that adding user Ubuntu to group vboxsf, adding user Ubuntu to group vboxsf, done. Okay, and after that guys, you have to close this terminal, and after that just restart your Ubuntu operating system. Okay, so just click on this power off this button. Just click on this top panel at the top right, and then click on this power off button, and then click on this restart button. Okay, so it's restarting, so just wait. We are now at the login screen, so let me click on this user. Let me provide the password, and then let me click on this sign in button. Okay guys, we are now logged in, and here we have this shared folder. Okay, so let me double click on this, and you can see guys, this folder is empty. Okay, so let me go to my host operating system, that is Windows 10, and here we have this shared folder. So let me open this. Okay, so let me create one folder in this. Okay, test folder, and let me create one file in this, text file. Okay, this is file, let me give it a name. Okay, and let me close this. Okay, and let me go to my guest operating system, that is Ubuntu. Okay, so you can see that we don't have anything over here. Okay, so let me close this and let me open it again, and you can see guys, here we have this folder. Okay, test folder, and if I open this, and you can see here we have this file created. Okay, and let me create one folder in this, and let me give it a name, folder in Ubuntu. And let me click on this create button, and you can see here we have this folder created. And let me close this, and let me go to my host operating system, that is Windows 10, and here we have this shared folder. So let me open this. Okay, and here we have the test folder. Let me open this, and you can see that here we have this folder created. Okay, we created it in this folder on Ubuntu. Okay, and it's now appeared over here. Okay guys, so guys, that's it. In this way you can easily create shared folder between Windows 10 host and Ubuntu 18.04 LTS guest operating system on Virtualbox. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.